Hi, Bisprins! Hi, Bisprins! Hello! Madami man nagbigay sa akin ng mga gamit. Gusto ko mag-thank you sa kanya. Isa-isahin natin buksan! Ano kaya ang laman ng mga padala? Wanna find out? Let's start here! So this one. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! It's Maybelline Make It Happen New York Intimate Nude. Sakit na tayo. Tsaka sa ngipin. Nagsakit ngilo. Sakit. Sakit. Sakit ako eh. Merong cards na it says here 10 siya, different shades, and then each shade may names #MLBB with Maybelline. Lip color that's natural yet perfectly flattering. Makes lips look like yours but better. Nude hues that enhance and brighten natural lip color. Okay. Maybelline Make It Happen New York. For immediate release. Warm nude. My lips but better with Maybelline Intimate Nudes. Upgrade your nude lippies with the latest color sensational collection that flatter every Filipino skin tone. So, mahaba na kaayo, guys. Try kaya natin. So, gusto niya na makita. 1, 2, 3. Dami! Hala! So, let's try one shade. The Chili Matte. Chili Nude, Chili Nude. And i-try ko yung ibang lipstick niyo next time. Thank you. Thank you kaayo. Ayan na naman, sakit sa tenga. Natural Glow from Janelle Baed, the owner. Pampahaba ng lashes. Natural Glow Lashes on Fleek. Eyelash and Brow Serum. Natural, pure, and organic. Get fuller, longer, and stronger brows and lashes. Wow, pwede siya sa pangkilay. Sweet pink lip and cheek stain. This Sunny Peach and lip and cheek stain. This Bright Fix BB Cream. Uy, thank you for this. Try nga natin tong or pink. Peach or pink, peach or pink, peach or let's try the pink one. Nahulog. Sorry. May amoy fruit siya. Hala, nasobraan ba na ako? Parang nasobraan ko. Yan. Nasobraan, wait lang. Kasi, try natin yung baby cream to. Konti lang. Ilagay ko dito sa nasobraan para pang daya. Lesson learned, just put a little amount kasi pwede kang sobraan. Pero ipantay ko na lang. Diba? Kasi nakakabother yung hindi pantay. Kung nasobraan mo, di sobra man yung kabila. The next gift is from Miss Korea. Oh, thank you. May ganito pa, oh. Cute. Uy, may letter. Annyeong, CRISHA'S. I hope you like the kissable lip tattoo. 감사합니다. Thank you, Tina Minhi. So, let's try it next time. Thank you. Ano kaya naman ito? This is from BTLA. Yan. Guys, nagdikit lahat. Yung isang shade is much lighter. Mas dark to. Then ito mas light. Anyway, this is an eye gel cream. It hydrates and illuminates. Thank you. Thank you. Again. Wait lang. Waiting. Oh, nakalagay ivory. Ito, nabasa ko ng ivory. Oh, puro powder. Medyo pagka-pinkish naman siya. Okay lang ha. Abrihon na to ulit. Abri means open. Open natin ulit kasi may isa pa palang shade. So, di ba, para makita niyo yung difference. Di ba? It is the darkest shade. Ito super light. Kasi ito, may pagka-pink tone. Pansin niyo, parang may pagka-pinkish siya. So, how do you know kung ano yung tamang shade para sa'yo? Yung powder and foundation. Paano nyo malaman? So, pwede nyo gamitin yung stripe test. We can try yung sand here. Kapalan natin ha. And then, let's try the ivory sa gitna. Sa second. That is the ivory. And then let's try the something na covered. Ito yung dark one. Ayan. Dikit tayo. That's a stripe test kasi parang siyang stripe, tinatry mo sa face mo to your neck. So, pwede mo itry yan, then i-blend mo. If nag-blend siya sa skin tone mo, meaning, tas wala ka na nakikita, isa lang ibig sabihin nun. Yun yung tamang shade mo. Pag sobrang puti or sobrang itim, hindi mo yun shade. Ito. So, tingnan natin. So, which shade am I? Parang may mga powder pa dito, no? Kasi masyado yun maputi. Tapos po yun, no? Parang may mga parang grayish. Pero dito, yung edge, yung dark shade, parang wala. So, meaning, yung darkest shade, yung akin. Samok is annoying. Bisprins! Meron pang silang last na binigay. It's called the Cream Foundation. It is creamy! Try dito. Tinago talaga yung mga itim-itim dyan. Pwede na, pwede. Thank you, BTLA. Thank you. The darkest shade from BTLA na binigay nila is my shade. This is from... meron akong bagong brushes. Thank you. Ang laki. To Krisha. Thank you very much. Classy brushes. Thank you, Classy brushes. Malambot siya. Hindi ko muna ilagay sa face ko kasi hindi ko pa to nalinis. It's called a stipple brush. Kasi flat siya and circular. So maganda siya pag foundation. It's pointed. Kung may mga part na parang gusto mong like ganun, ipang highlight or pwede rin to. Tingnan mo, itong mga maliliit pero sobrang matataba. Imposible naman na magawa mo yan ng eyeliner. Diba? So, these are for shading. Yung pinaka maliit dito, yung pencil brush. Yung pencil brush, parang siyang pointed kasi merong mas more define yung eyeshadow. Yung mga tigbe-blend. Mga pang-blend. Thank you! Thank you for this! Yan yung mga foundation brush, powder brush, blush brush, tambok, mga taba. Yan. There's more brushes! Thank you! So guys, tinanggal ko yung subtitle. Kaya I keep on explaining if mag-Bisaya so that at least hindi na mag-subtitle and hindi na kayo Uy! Alam nyo, hindi ko naman in-invite yung toilet bowl. Hindi naman siya kasama sa sound effects. Pero yung toilet bowl lang talaga maingay. Sorry. Thank you! Ganda siya. If you can see the cloth here. thank you for this. Pero guys, hindi ko alam kung kaya ko to kasi mahirap maghinga. Diba? Pag may... Well... But anyway, I wanna thank you for this sa mga gusto ng waist trainer. I remember they sent me the bubble mask before. Naggawa kami ng video about the bubble mask. Salamat kaayo. There's more. It's a sugar lip scrub. It's a gentle lip scrub that cleanses, exfoliates, and conditions lips with raw brown sugar and exotic oils, leaving them beautifully smooth and smooth and soft. Kung may facial scrub, meron ding lip scrub. Look. Thank you. This is from Studio Boutique. 100% handmade tassel earrings. Dalawa siya, pero same sila. Color and design. Yung isa lang mahaba, yung isa maikli. Try kaya natin yung kasi marami kasi ako butas. Trip lang. Diba? Ayan. Dami na earrings. Shop Street Manila. Ooh, thank you, Shop Street Manila. Tingnan nga natin kung ano to. Kasi, iba din yung earrings niya. Kung ito ay tassel earrings, ano naman ito? Tingnan natin. Wow! So, it's 3 earrings. Ooh, cute! Ito naman, iba yung itsura niya. Cute! Ito naman yung third. Same sila white. Wow! Thank you! Ooh, may mga pang-masahe. Bango. Pang-masahe. Upang tagal stress. Ay, moringa naman. Mentor Mary. Thank you, Elaine Galindo. Thank you. Ang tanggal ng stress. Naku, dapat maglagay siguro ako ngayon, no? Pero wag muna. Baka mamaya makatulog ako. Hindi na ako makashoot. Masyado mo relax. Relax pa more. It's fragile. Citronella Starter Kit. Air freshener, mosquito repellent. Pure citronella oil on the cotton. Uy! And hang by open windows under the table, closets, and cabinets, room, corners. Wow! Thank you! Cool! Okay na okay to sa akin. You know why? Kagatin ako ng lamok. So, it's true na it depends sa blood type. Eh, yung blood type ko, O. Di ba pag O, lapitin ka daw ng lamok. Ito na ang sagot. Salamat! Ito yung refill nung citronella. If maubos na yung Amore Beauty Sensation. Thank you! Ito ay loops. Can be set up as regular, inclined, loose, and its features holds hanger in place. Oh, pang hanger. Thank you! Cool. Thank you! Loop Sampaya. Review ko sa isang video. Naalala ko na ubos ko to for like 3 days lang. Kasi giliguan ako siya. 3 days lang siya. Kasi sige ako lagay. Your Nature Pulp Fancy Yarn PH. Are you ready for this? Ito, alam nyo, hindi. Pang Team Aslum to, guys! Aslum is sour, ha? 1, 2, 3. Thank you for this! Thank you! Ayan, same white naman yung isa. Oh. And then, white din, pero ito may ribbon. That's all! I want to thank everyone for sending me these gifts. Super thank you, and I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe and like me on Instagram and on Facebook. Please, 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 for more tips, fun, and giveaway. Salamat kayo!